Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find your KW app URL within Command on your desktop. So first thing we want to do is we want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And then we're going to navigate to the website's applet. Our applets menu is going to be on the left-hand side, and the website's applet is all the way at the bottom, the square with what looks like a web browser with house inside of it, and that's popping out of the box. So if we click on that, we're then going to click on Manage Settings. And under Manage Settings, we're going to scroll down to the Referral Links tab. Here you're going to see your app URL. There's currently not a way to edit that, but you can go ahead and you can copy it. And then when you share it with someone, when they go click on this link from their mobile device, it's actually going to take them to the App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever their device is using, so that they can download the consumer app. And when they do download that consumer app, it's going to be branded specifically to you as the agent when they use this link. If you have any questions or run into any snags with this, please feel free to give us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help. Hope you have a fantastic day.